COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes Jr. is hoping that results of the 2013 midterm elections will be out in 24 hours. Brillantes recalled before the Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms and People's Participation that in 2010, results of the polls were known in 48 hours. He expressed optimism that if everything goes according to plan, the results of next year's elections will be known within a day. In the same hearing, Brillantes pushed for the prohibition of political dynasties in the country. This report.
Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms and People's Participation conducted the hearing on political dynasties. It is in aid of legislating a law that would prevent members of the same family being elected into public office. Commission on Elections Chairman Sixto Brillantes vows to have such a law even through a plebiscite and without having to endure the tedious process in both legislative chambers. However, Committee Chairman Senator Coco Pimentel is apprehensive on the plebiscite because it would require tremendous effort to go through all districts and get the signatures, especially in areas controlled by political families.
Complex or complicated itong usapin na tungkol sa political dynasty. And nakikita rin naman natin ito sa constitutional provision at talagang pinasa na ng constitutional commission sa Congress as may be defined by law. So sabi niya, Kongreso, kayo na talaga mag-define yan.
Meanwhile, Senator Serge Osmeña explains that there is an automatic political dynasty the moment a person holds a public office under the jurisdiction of a family member who's already in power.
Kung merong home control yung isang kamag-anak over the same political unit. In other words, governor ako ng Cebu, tatakbo yung anak ko for mayor of one of the towns in Cebu, or for congressman, that's defined as a prohibited dynasty. Or my wife, or my cousin, up to second degree of consanguinity or affinity.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada, for his part, does not see the need for an anti-political dynasty law since it is already stated in the Constitution.
At sa akin palagay, hindi naman papasayan sa House of Representatives. Baka hindi pa maka-first base yan. So, siguro sa Senado baka pumasa. Pero sa House, sa dami ng mga kamag-anak ng mga congressman na gustong tumakbo sa public office, tingin ko hindi papasayan.
Despite this, the Senate Electoral Committee vows to study the merits of the proposal to serve as a model law to be enacted by future Congresses. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.